bafowethu bathi ibhesi yashintshana intiro ziyashintshana manje ngimene khosi manje bafowethu sisi kunjani njani nami ngiyaphila sisi unesmile after such a bad match angazi indaba yini ekujabulisayo after ama results nje
wabona mthatha ke ngabe uthina kokela awona muhlangi phakathi kwenkaliki phakathi ngiliki yabathi na ke favorite case shift there yeah iwile ne phakathi sharp iwi akere flop isaki coach ongile bila kazi umeile kanhle ongile bakubhala umeile kanhle fine mara phakathi likeno yona
sister makhuluma kanje ngiyeza ukuthi kunezinto ozaziyo ngeKaizer Chiefs asithi nangu coach lapha ya uyakubukela ungathini kuye ngalento yenze namhlanje yeah like yini ongayitshela lo coach lo
coach wazamayo coach wavaye bafethu
wavaya ne
okasinisibila kazi kanhle chabalala kanhle bakumane kanhle bonke batho abaholo bakinyaka forward okishisa ka Pirates ana phakathi i-week phakathi anamandla ishole coach lo
most of ama supporter aweKaizer Chiefs athi no le meshe namhlanje uyabona ukuthi ukhoza noMtawungi bakhulumile ukuthi you know what asibhayizisa Sundown so nawe you agree ukuthi mhlawumbe ngenzeke kube meshe edayisiwe le
yeah
serious
yeah rekisitse game ro because I can't about Sundown so nkeliki Chiefs rekisa game for what mara phakathi no inkaliki yo yabesha kantatu akamabila no inkaliki
sister shoot manje mina nawe sesupporter sithu because mina ngiSundown namhlanje ngisupporta wena nami ngingafuni ukuthi Pirates iwine yazi
phakathi hayinonka league ya Sundown so that's all
I thank you sister my sister thank you so much ngesikhathi sakho sisi ne
yale bakuthi
eshene mane angeke ngithi sorry because yabonakala ukuthi ujabulile sister
ayethabile because kathi ba Sundown yathi ba kuphakathi hayinonka league yaklay phakathi league
so maybe mangakubuza fast ukuthi imaphi ama player owaziyo kwiKaizer Chiefs man
ayathi ba
yeah
oKaizer Chiefs
yeah
Vilakazi Bakumane Chabalala coach likhipha kona yabayisa awunokuthi lokho kuwa phela awusake ibhola what
nami I was so surprised sister yazi ukuthi awu kanjani emeshini engaka wavimbisa i-second choice goalkeeper because uPeterson ukhona awuthi ufila
manje just imagine wabasakinyani Peterson wabona ne game rekisithi mare Pirates ayinonkaliki ngathi usantathu akamabithe Pirates ayinonkaliki yani ligi ke Sundown akunataba ne akunataba we bona bare akanje imirekisithi okay Sundown saska iskankaliki mare awona muhlangi Pirates week i-week Pirates ayinonkaliki
sister thank you so much ngesikhathi sakho mama ne okay thank you bafowethu usister uyayigcizelela ukuthi Pirates ngeke ithathe league uyayiphikisa iPirates ngeke ithathe league izothatha iSundown 7 emoyeni siphakamisa u7 bafowethu angidalazi udaba sinje za TV yawe tata